You hid your skeletons when I had shown you mine. You woke the devil that I thought you'd left behind. I saw the evidence, the crimson soaking through. 10,000 promises, 10,000 ways to lose. And you held it all, but you were careless to let it fall. You held it all, and I was by your side, powerless. I watched you fall apart and chased you to the end. I'm left with emptiness that words cannot defend. You'll never know what I became because of you. 10,000 promises, 10,000 ways to lose. And you held it all, but you were careless to let it fall. You held it all, and I was by your side, powerless. And you held it all, but you were careless to let it fall.